Have you ever wondered what you should do if your Amorphophallus painifolius has a soft spot? First, remove all the soft flesh in the wounded area. Next, with a small brush, dust a layer of sulfur fungicide over the exposed flesh. This will help keep the tuber from either rotting and/or limit contamination in that area. Then apply a coat of diatomaceous earth. Using diatomaceous earth will help keep away flies and other insects that may be drawn to the tuber during the healing process. This will also prevent insect larvae from developing in the tuber as well. Leave out to dry over a soft, dry substrate for approximately 5 days or until the wound is firmly dried. Once the wound is completely dry, rest the tuber on a soft and dry substrate in a cool, dry location.